Welcome back to another edition of Me and You Unboxing. We're going to check out what is underneath these wraps. Very exciting new addition to the car build. Ooh. The tent is very lightweight. I would estimate it to be under 100 pounds and easy for 2 people to install. Slide. The shell is made of a marine grade vinyl which is waterproof.
Yeah. Push it up.
It's very easy to open and close because the hydraulic rods do most of the heavy lifting for you. First impressions is that everything feels like they are made of high quality materials. All of these zippers feel high quality, and the outer zipper is made in Japan by YKK.
This looks like the ladder.
An aluminum telescoping ladder is also included. It also comes with all the hardware that is needed for the installation. The front and the sides have 3 layers. The last layer is a heat-insulated polyester for warmth and sun protection. It acts like a blackout curtain, makes the interior dark, good for sleeping in. This layer is removable, which would be useful when camping in the summer months. The second layer is a screen, which works to keep the bugs out and allow for better ventilation. The first layer is Oxford fabric, which is waterproof and provides UV protection. The fabric feels high quality and similar to that of our Rome Adventure awning. The mattress is 3 centimeters thick and made of a non-deforming sponge material. Extra bonuses are that there are lots of storage, a sling to put your jacket, many pockets for phones, electronics, keys, there's more pockets up top. We can't wait to test it out in the elements. Look out for our next video on how to install it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.